We've got a lot of stuff to catch up on here in the kitchen. First off, on my work Facebook page, Will. A shout out to Will Hughes on Studio 10 this morning, one of the best chefs and instructors ever, Darlene.
Oh, wow.
Thanks, Darlene.
She posted that on my work Facebook page, so I want to give you a shout out. We also have to give another shout out. Let's see if we can get a shot of this without me harming myself. Tell us about this.
This was made by a 14-year-old Bayside student.
That's pretty nice.
Kason Lane.
Yeah. So is he
And
selling them, Will?
Yeah, he makes them. You can look him up on Facebook.
Yeah, that's pretty
It's
impressive.
Kason Lane Knife Works.
Yeah, I know
Pretty
you love to
impressive.
support local people
for
and
sure.
local events, which is why you're involved in this with Infirmary as well. I know we've been talking about the details for the duathlon, but in case they missed it, Josh, let's go ahead and give them those again.
Yeah, again, this is our 8th Infirmary Duathlon event.
8 years.
8 years. It's been going for a while. And along with it, starts off with the 2-mile run, transitions into a 10-mile bike ride, then back to a 2-mile run to finish it off. So it's gonna push the limits for your physical fitness.
Well, I was about to say, you know, Josh, that's what you do every single day, so they shouldn't have a problem with it, right?
That's what I do.
Right.
But again, everybody's different, so you can't put everybody in the same category. You're exactly right.
So if they are worried about it, what they need to know is that they'll get through it, take your time, do your best. And
Exactly. That's all
it'll
it
be
is.
just
Just
fine.
do your best. The
It's
best
all
you
about
can.
coming out and, of course, getting
Exactly.
together. You guys always put on such fun events.
Right.
And you've upped it a little bit this year. Will's cooking.
Yeah, this is going to be our $5 item on our menu for the duathlon, and we'll have other kind of tacos and some sandwiches as well.
And, Will, you know, we always keep up with you, too, because you always have stuff going on. Tell everybody what's new with the food business.
Well, we're using our food truck now more so for office lunches.
Yeah.
So we'll come up to a large office and set up for lunch. I use it a lot for catering, and that's about it.
Yeah, so how can they get in touch with you?
So they can reach out to me. Our phone number is 251-454-5245. Facebook is Chef Will Hughes or Will's Farm Foods.
Yeah, so check that out, and you can check him out at this event as well. Now, if they want to participate, I know you guys strongly push that they sign up in advance for this.
Correct. As I mentioned before, the registration fee is at a low price right now.
Yeah.
And so going on the website, Infirmary Duathlon.racesonline.com, that's where you can go and register instead of waiting till day of, which is going to cost more, and it's just a lot of stress to deal with.
I love when Josh is here. Josh and Emily came on Studio 10, was it last week? All my weeks are running together.
Week, yeah.
Last week, and I always get excited, Will, because I'm like, make Joe do something. Make him do something. I forgot to mention that last time, and I forgot to mention it today because we had so much going on.
Where's he now?
I don't. Good question. Good question. We do have to end the show in about 5 minutes, so hopefully he'll be back in the studio soon. We're going to put their information up, fox10tv.com, under the Studio 10 tab. We'll have Will's information, the Infirmary's information as well. And also, I mean, if they want to sign up, you guys still do training. Of course, you have an amazing fitness facility there at Infirmary as well.
That's exactly right. Pro Health Fitness on Mobile Infirmary's campus. You can definitely come in, take a tour, meet our trainers, and just look at the facility.
Yeah,
it's real
really
impressive.
nice.
Real impressive.
Very impressive. Guys, thank you so much for being here this morning.
Thanks for having us.
We'll be right back. I got to find Joe. I don't know where he is.
Let's get it.